Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? And I hope you all have been following the guidances and resonating beautifully with it. Now, again, today is going to be pick a card. This is card 1 and this is card 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to go through or decide or connect with the divine as to which card is for you. Okay, so now card 1. Grateful, a beautiful card with a beautiful message. I still remember first time when I was doing readings with this card, when I saw this butterfly, that first thing what came to my mind was the butterfly. Basically, it is just that, it says whatever life, gives me or whatever I face, I am thankful to God and I'm thankful to this beautiful universe to give me an amazing life. So I have always been grateful. In fact, whenever, even if I eat every day in the afternoon or morning or whenever, I just say thank you God that I am at least blessed with food. There are people who don't even get 3 times food to eat or 1 time food also to eat. Can you see this beautiful butterfly and the peacock? It's a beautiful colors. This card is basically saying that today is the day of gratitude. Treasure your day today. Don't get upset or don't get stressed up, because today stop analyzing what is happening in your life and live your life. So today is the day where you will stop analyzing and you will just live your life, and you will just go with the flow that yes, life is a blessing and I am blessed enough to get this beautiful life. Color will be pink today, and I'm not going to give you anything to chant or anything, but yes, I have kept some blessed be cards for you all. A blessing for peace of mind. So today you are going to be blessed with peace of mind. So maybe you will be spending time at home, spending time just relaxing, rejuvenating, and just in bliss of life. And if you have the time, then go out somewhere with your family and friends and just enjoy your day. Have a beautiful blessed day with loads of happiness and peace of mind. Let's see what is card 2. Strength. Can you see this? Yet another beautiful card. A strong, fierce pet. I call them as pets only. I don't know why. But again, if you see here, it has got beautiful colors in this card. So now this card, maybe you have had a busy schedule and you have not had time for yourself. So today is the time to slow down and just look at the beauty of the life, and just focus on what is important right now, and just reclaim your energy or rejuvenate yourself. Basically, this is also associated that you have the strength, you have the capacity in you to handle the challenges. Just give yourself one day today as a rest. Sit back and realize what things you need to do. Plan yourself, and then you see how you come back stronger, beautiful, confident than what you think you are. Today I would suggest wear the color brown, because you need a lot of grounding. Let's see what the blessed be cards are suggesting for you. A blessing for those who are nearing their final breath. So maybe don't take this card as a negative card. Maybe you have given up so much in life that you don't understand where to go next. So just, it's a blessing from the divine, and I feel that this blessing has come to you. Maybe in case you're losing someone, then that also is basically that the time has come for them to go. But I feel that this card is not indicating that someone will go. It indicates that something will come to an end, and you will have the blessings from the divine to move forward in much stronger and much confident way. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.